What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. Fabio, your host here. Today we're going to be doing JavaScript, blocks, and scope. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Blocks and scope. Before we talk more about scope, we first need to talk about blocks. We've seen blocks used before in functions and if statements. A block is the code found inside a set of curly braces. Blocks help us group one or more statements together and serve as an important structural marker for our code. A block of code could be a function like this: const log sky color equals empty parenthesis, function arrow, curly braces, let color equal to blue, console.log color. Notice that the function body is actually a block of code. Observe the block in an if statement. So in the next few exercises, we'll see how blocks define the scope of variables. Instructions. At the top of main.js, declare a const variable named city. Set it equal to the New York City to a string New York City. This variable will exist outside of the block. Okay, so starting off with a variable, const variable named city. We're going to set it equal to a string which is New York City. Okay, so below city variable, write a function named log city sky. So we're going to write now a function named log city sky. Skyline, sorry. I see there's no camel casing there by line. I wonder why. If you guys recall, this is how you write a function. Run that. That's good. Just a spelling error there. Okay, so next, inside of the function body of log city skyline, write another variable using let named skyscraper. Okay, so we're creating a new variable that we are most likely going to reassign because it stipulates that we should use the let variable keyword and set it equal to Empire State Building. Okay, so number 4, inside the function, include a return statement like this. Okay, so still within the function, just going to copy and paste that. Okay, number 5, beneath the skyline function, use console.log to log the value of skyline to the console. You'll notice that skyline function is able to. Okay, so let's first log it just outside the body. Did they say within the body? No. Beneath the log skyline function, use console.log. Okay, beneath. We did not listen. Why? No, I don't know. It's late. Okay, log skyline. Okay, let's run that. Okay, so let's see what it says. The stars over the Empire State Building in New York City. Exactly. Okay, so now that's sorted. Okay, I hope you guys understood that. Right, let's move on to the next exercise.